Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and welcome to our video for the best weed mat for your garden. Watch till the end to find our best recommendation from the list. Our list begins with HOOPLE Weed Barrier. The HOOPLE Weed Barrier is known for its thick fabric. This fabric is twice as thick as its competitors. This high-quality fabric ensures your weed mat lasts a long time and inhibits the growth of weeds. Additionally, its sturdy build makes it ideal for driveways and sidewalks since it supports heavy loads. Despite its thickness, the HOOPLE weed mat is breathable. Breathability is essential to maintaining the soil's health. The HOOPLE weed mat strikes the perfect balance of breathability and thickness. It allows your plants to thrive while suffocating the weeds. Finally, the HOOPLE weed mat uses environmentally safe and chemical-free materials that prevent long-term damage to your soil. DeWitt Weed Mat. The DeWitt Weed Mat is a UV-stabilized 3.2-ounce woven polypropylene sheet perfect for narrower gardens. This heavy-duty weed mat has 12-inch stripes that make cutting and aligning easy. DeWitt weed mats allow water, nutrients, and air to flow through the soil while preventing sunlight, which is essential for most weeds to grow. Additionally, this weed mat is easy to install, only requiring landscape staples to secure it in your garden. Finally, the DeWitt weed mat uses durable, high-quality materials that withstand harsh blizzards and storms. This fabric does not fray easily, making it cost-effective. The Amagabeli weed mat is durable since it's made from a 5.8-ounce heavy-duty polypropylene material. This material has a high tensile strength and is resistant to tears, allowing the weed mat to withstand heavy foot and vehicle traffic. Despite this, it allows water, nutrients, and air to flow into and nourish the soil. The Amagabeli weed mat also uses eco-friendly materials that protect your soil's microbiome, which keeps it healthy for a long time. The Amagabeli's durability makes it ideal for flower gardens and yards that get a lot of foot traffic. Which is the best? HOOPLE Weed Barrier is the best weed mat for your garden. Its heavy-duty, eco-friendly, and durable build makes it perfect for yards, sidewalks, and flower gardens. Furthermore, you'll get a variety of sizes and thicknesses to suit your every need. Thanks for watching.